It's all about humanity.
Indra is our guide in Jakarta.
Yep.
Right, he's such a nice guy. Tell us something about this expo first.
So this is the biggest expo in Indonesia.
Okay.
So all the things we're selling here, they have a business matching too. And usually every country from all around the world, 160 countries always attend.
Always attend.
Yeah.
Whoa, right. ये हॉल जो है ये स्पेशली फर्नीचर प्रोडक्ट्स के लिए है. You can see. That's
The Pancasila.
five. Mine is five. What's your name? I'm Ali from Pakistan. All right. It's all handmade. And it's wonderful. It's all so good. Very good. Thank you very much. Bye bye.
It's all
What's special about Natrabu? Alright, it's for the flooring. Right. Thank you.
Yeah, this is made of brick. Yeah.
Alright, so the speciality of this really is it's a beautiful design, I can see that. It's very different.
Yes, of course. This is a unique item that we make it in Bali.
Okay.
Yeah, and this is friendly environment products. So we clean the beach.
Is it expensive?
It's not expensive, but we have do export lots to Europe. Yeah.
To Europe?
Yeah, to where you from?
Okay, from where you get the raw material for this?
From Bali is Java, Lombok, and Sumba. So 4 islands.
4 islands?
Yeah, because we have to stop over than 80 trucks.
Oh.
Yeah, otherwise we
Lots of garbage and litter. Alright. यहाँ भाई बात जो है करोड़ों में होती है. हाँ. तो ये जो है ये बुनियादी तौर पे 80 लाख का है.
About $625 for this price.
$625.
Yes, this is
alright.
including everything.
The entire set is of $625. If I convert it into Pakistani rupees, it turns out to be 60,000 rupees. But in the Indonesian money, it's 8 million rupiah.
Yeah,
Right?
yeah, you're right.
Right. So I'm a millionaire if I buy that. So buy this and be a millionaire. Thank you very much.
Come here to my booth. Here.
Thank you.
Or to Bali. Yeah.
Very well.
Thank you.
Thank you.
For your
Nice
coming.
meeting.
Okay.
It's beautiful. Oh, this is chocolate.
It's chocolate.
Right. Made in Indonesia from Garut.
Garut.
Yes. West Java. This big hall is for automobile. So this is about home appliances. What is this? याद है वो बत्तियों वाला? ये वो बत्तियों वाला है. You see? All right. It's huge. Got chips here. It's onion.
It's all about humanity.
Thank you.
It's all about humanity.
Right. What's your name?
Adil.
Adil. And what's your company name?
Helmet and GC helmet.
GC helmet. Wow. Thank you. It's a GC helmet. Government college helmet मतलब दिएगा ये.
It's all about humanity.
ये स्पिनच है, पालक है, tali hui. It was very nice.
This for common cold.
What?
For common cold.
We going to.
Fatigue, travel sickness.
All right.
Yeah.
So it's a medicated food.
Yeah. You wanna try?
No, thank you. It's a vapor?
Yes.
Butter. That's right. How much conga? You know, I'll get fat. There's a lot of things to eat.
Ini bagus kalau kamu.
What's your name?
Imelda.
Mel. Thank you, Mel.
It's all about humanity.
Itu aku ada jamurnya.
The aroma is good. Two tang. Two tang. We got two tang here. Thank you very much.
Indonesia is the fourth biggest producer of coffee in the world.
Really? These are the trades?
It's Balinese.
It's a Balinese?
Balinese hat.
It's a Balinese hat. People from Bali put this on. It's their signature.
Yeah.
Let's try it.
It's all about humanity.
It's strong. It's good. Indonesia is having the most expensive coffee in the world as well. Yo, thank you. It's a designer wear. Batik is the design name or the fabric name?
The technique actually, batik
Batik
is
technique.
Let's move forward.
So we are in the food court now. We're gonna eat something, and we found Indra.
Wow!
Don't forget to like, subscribe and comment.
अभी तो बाबा जी एक hall हुआ है. There are 9 more halls, and we don't have enough time. Isabel here from Brazil.
I love Indonesia.
What's your name?
Erna.
Erna. Erna, please tell me about this food.
Indonesian food. This is tempe, keripik kentang.
These are chips.
Yeah, it's like chips.
It's like chips, right?
This is sambal. This is spicy. Cakalang.
Chagala. Chagala. It's of chicken.
Yeah, no fish.
It's fish.
We call it jengkol.
It's not potatoes.
Potato.
It's like potatoes. Thank you. Thank you. You got a friend?
No.
You're finding one?
Yeah, probably.
There was a breakup. Ball Guda and
This is picture.
this is the picture.
Yes.
This is beef.
Yes, you.
Bye. इतना कुछ है कि मतलब मैं आपको क्या दिखाऊंगा क्या बताऊं? It's too much. So you make guitars? I am at Sabang. Sabang is a food street, the largest, the biggest food street in Indonesia. It's actually a business hub, a business center. Right in the morning, the old business takes place here, and right after 6 p.m., this business hub turns into food street, Sabang food street. So we are here at Natrabu to have our dinner. Sumatra is a name of a state, and Minang Cabao. Got it? Got it. Sumatra people, this tribe runs their, the family tree with the mother name. It's from the maternal side. So they value a lady or women of that much that one color is denoted to a woman. Which one, by the way? The yellow one. And the red one is actually
For the
religious scholars, and the black one for the educated people, like Indra. Alright, so I'm going to just sit on this throne. Actually, it's not a throne. They use this entire setup for the weddings. Alright? This is a bride side. This is a groom side. And this is me at the moment. I'm neither a groom or a bride. But this is beautiful. It's the tradition of Sumatra people. Colorful. Very colorful. Very vibrant. Very vibrant.
they have-
You see the settings? Beautiful Jakarta.
Enjoy Jakarta.
the 6th floor, the second tallest building in Jakarta.
You're not trusting your heart to anyone.
And Yusuf. Hi, good morning. This is our second day in Jakarta, and today we are planning to move to Thousand Island. Thousand Island is a place in Jakarta. It's not in Jakarta, but it's closer to Jakarta. It's a place where they say there are thousands, there are many islands. Few of them have been designated to visit. So we are told that we are going to visit 3 islands today. So we are out of our hotel now. We're gonna get to this bus, and this bus will take us to shore, and there we are gonna get the boat, and through that boat we'll go to the first island. So today we are going to give you a tour to Thousand Island.